You're behind the counter. A customer walks in. They want something, but they speak fast. What do you say? Let's learn real English for real cafe moments. The most common question is, can I take your order? Or more casual, what can I get you today? Let's practice some questions. Can I take your order? What can I get for you? Would you like anything to eat? For here or to go? It's not, what do you want? That sounds too direct. Now, what might the customer say? They might say, can I get a medium latte with oat milk? Or just a coffee, please. Or ask, do you have almond milk? Or I'll take it to go. Can I get is the most natural way to order. It's polite and casual, perfect for cafes. In English, being polite is super important. We don't say, give me a coffee. That sounds rude. We say, can I get a coffee, please? Or could I have a cappuccino? And always, thank you. Have a nice day. Let's test your cafe English. Ready? The customer says, hi, I'll have a large cappuccino with almond milk, please. What should you say? 1, okay, 1 big milk cappuccino. 2, got it, 1 large almond cappuccino. 3, you want what? The correct answer is 2, got it, 1 large almond cappuccino. Did you get it right? Here's the next one. The customer says, just a coffee to take out, please. You say, 1, you want coffee? 2, a coffee to take out, sure. 3, to take where? The correct answer is 2, a coffee to take out, sure. It's easy with practice. A friendly tone and natural rhythm make a big difference. Today, you learned how to take a coffee order in English like a pro. You're one step closer to being a confident English-speaking barista. Want more? Hit like, subscribe, and join us for the next episode of English for Baristas.